this video, I'm going to be showing you how to report copyright infringement on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. First, you need a trademark, and then you can register for Amazon Brand Registry. You can get a trademark within 3 days. It doesn't have to be fully registered, and then you register with Brand Registry. After that, you'll get access to this Brand Registry portal so you can report copyright infringement. Next, we're gonna identify an actual listing that is violating some copyright. And here's a quick example, is if it violates or copies your images, your audio, or your text. You can see that this image right here of this device, or this little penguin, is practically exactly the same as this one. Actually, I think it's exactly the same. It is exactly the same. So all you have to do is have a website and reference it on your website and show Amazon, hey, this is my product, check it out on my website. They're copying my photo. I would like their listing and or photo to be taken down. So once you're in the Brand Registry portal, you're gonna do report a violation, and then you're gonna type in the ASIN. So for example, if this is my product and this is my competitors and they literally just copied my device exactly, I'm gonna take that ASIN, which starts with the letter B, put it right into here, click search, and then you can report the images or the entire listing. If you want the entire listing taken down, you should report the entire listing, and then you can do copyright infringement right here. There's a few different items you can pick. The one at the top is the physical product or its packaging contains copyrighted content. The physical product or its packaging is copyrighted or contains authorized use of copyrighted images or text. This one is copyrighted text is used without authorization. And this is copyrighted audio, video, software, written work. So most likely in this case, it's going to be the first one, just because it says that they're copywriting images. So, and then you're gonna put your brand name in here, because this is pretty much your trademark name. Trademark is completely different, but Amazon makes you put it in there. And then you're gonna do, if you have a copyright registration number, which most people do not have, and you don't need to have, this is where you put your link of your copyrighted work, or you can put a description. I do recommend the link to copyrighted work. This one usually works the best and it works just fine. So you're gonna need your website, and you're gonna have your website with a picture of the product. So put that link in there, make sure it's live, make sure it works. Next, you're going to put the exact information. And Amazon actually writes out now exactly what you're supposed to put. I would say that this is a pretty good one, where you can say the image on the product detail page of ASIN, you're gonna again copy the competitor's ASIN, is nearly identical to my original photograph on my website. And then you're just gonna put some more information, just like it says right here. Amazon's gonna look at your website, make sure it's the URL goes right and shows that penguin, and then Amazon's going to say accepted, and they're gonna take down that listing. If it doesn't work, Amazon is going to email you and explain why it wasn't accepted. Sometimes you need to escalate the issue, or you need to update the images on your website. Maybe you put the wrong link. You need to update your images, right? You could take some of these images and put them on your website, and then you can get them removed. And you could also escalate it and say, hey, you guys need to review this again. Also, Amazon sometimes asks you to do a test buy. So they'll be like, okay, well, the pictures, do an actual test buy, please. So you have to actually buy this product on the same account that you're reporting it from. Give Amazon the order ID number in that report. Say, I also purchased it. Here's the order ID number. It is a fake. Usually 99% of the time, Amazon will then remove it. So most of the time you do need to do a order. And if you do need to escalate it, you can just simply go to the support case log, and there's a button to escalate it, and you can escalate it up the chain of command. And that's it for today's video. I really appreciate it. I hope you learned something new. Please drop a like if you're an Amazon seller. And if you are an Amazon enthusiast and want to succeed on Amazon, I recommend you subscribe, because we're going to be giving you a lot of good content. Don't forget to hire EHP Consulting Group if you need help on Amazon. Don't just settle for your average Joe. We know what we're doing, and we help clients sell for millions of dollars already. Talk to you soon.